granddaughter of Sheikh Barkat Ali. My grandfather many years back had a dream to facilitate the people by providing ease of transportation for the people of this district. And Alhamdulillah, he was one of the first transporters of the area and had buses under the name of Burqa Transport. He was a firm believer that every child should be given equal opportunity to learn and be educated. I am proud at the fact my grandfather's contribution for this district and especially for providing free of cost land to this college that has been recognised by the government of Azad Kashmir. I also like to mention that it is all due to the efforts and commitment of my father ارشد برکی Sahab that today his father is named after this college. My father tells us many stories about my late grandfather, especially when my grandfather used to let the poor people who did not have enough money to buy a ticket and travel free of cost. Moving on, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the respectable principal, Madam Fazana Saiba, for her hard work and commitment towards the welfare and education of women in this region. The message I want to leave you with all is, my father taught me that education is everything and that if I wanted to achieve anything in life I could. He also taught me that learning is an endless process and that there is no limit to the amount of knowledge a person can gain. You are never too old to learn something new or too young to learn too much. I wish you all the success for the future. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.